I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again, now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears.
Watermelon flower carving. Hello guys, welcome back family, new and returning viewers. Welcome to Mama Niger's Kitchen, a home filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. Guys, today I am going to be carving watermelon flower. So guys, make yourself comfortable, let's get at it. So I am using that round cylinder object to create a circular mark before I start my carving. Now I am using the knife to cut around that circle while I proceed into the carving. Guys, it is quite intriguing. I hope you enjoy this, and if you like this video, remember to hit that like button and share the video. Thumbs up guys, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you have not yet joined this family. We love to have you as a member here. Hit that subscribe and hit on the bell and select all so you do not miss out on any of our amazing adventures. This is your host, Nila Enchanted. Come join us guys and let's have a wow moment.
So go ahead and just spin for me, won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone, I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control, do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. start to bleed, DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you.
Wow, guys, here you have it. Watermelon flower carving. Yes, indeed. How do you like it, guys? Please drop a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Do you like to see more of carvings? If you do, let me know. I will bring it on, guys. Various patterns. Yes, I enjoyed this carving. It is actually simpler than it looks. It is not complicated once you have the technique. So guys, if you're interested to know, let me know and I will hook you up. Sign up in one of the trainings on how to do watermelon flowers or flowers on watermelon. I love the color. I love just the character of this flower. It is just blooming and exuding happiness, and you can feel the smile on my face. Love, love, love it, guys. I hope you fell in love with it also. Mwah. Keep watching to the end, guys. I have a treat for you at the end.
Want you within. So go ahead and just spin. Yeah, spin for me. Want you. I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Yeah, spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the
Well, guys, thank you all so much for being here today once again. I do appreciate your support and love. Let's continue to shine, creating to enhance our work. Guys, here is the beautiful rainbow honeycomb, a delight for your pleasure. If you have not seen the video, check it out in one of the shots. Guys, until our next upload, Obulu or King Bye bye.